Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamara from No Sleep Boutique, and I am doing a try-on haul for the Halloween inventory. Y'all already see me unbox it, so I'm trying them on. So y'all already see which one I have on first, which is the Chucky in the short pants. And I normally, it got the 3 buttons up here. I normally don't use the buttons or whatever. I mean, unless I plan on going out in this. But other than that, I don't really use the buttons. But yeah, that's how the back is looking. No butt flap, because y'all gonna wear these outside. The stretch, it's pretty stretchy. It's pretty stretchy. I'm wearing a size large. I decided not to wear a medium. So yeah, no waist trainer going on. Don't got time for that. It's nighttime again. So yeah, it's pretty stretchy. You can pretty much wear your normal size with the Halloween collection. So yeah, so this is the button. This is how it looks. It's buttoned up like this. This is how it would look if you button up. But I normally don't wear mine buttoned up or whatever. But if you got a bigger chest, then you need to size up. But y'all should know that already. Yeah. Bigger chest, size up. All right, next is the Scream onesie. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, No Sleep Boutique LLC, because I am very transparent on there. So yeah, I wanted to kind of say something, but I'm gonna save it for Instagram or whatever. But everything is, somewhat all good. But anyway, so I'm in the Scream, don't mind me y'all, I'm in the Scream onesie, and this one is a large as well. No butt flap. And this is a large, but this one does fit slightly different than the Chucky large. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest about my own shit. So anyway, that's what I really wanted to talk about, because the manufacturer kind of changed the material. It's still stretchy, but not that stretchy. Like, I'm in a large or whatever, but this one is stretchy too. But it seemed like the Chucky one was a little bit more stretchier. Like, I don't know what they're doing. I really don't. But anyway. But yeah, you'll be good in a large. Same thing that I said for the Chucky. You got bigger boobs, size up. You got bigger boobs. And they got the buttons on this one too. That's how it looks buttoned up. All right, y'all. So this one is Michael Myers, everybody's favorite. But yeah, this is Michael Myers, and I'm wearing a size extra large, cause I'm thinking, I forgot I pulled 2 extra large and 2 larges. But this one is an extra large. So I knew it fit kind of a little bit bigger. Because I was like, what? I'm about to get mad again. But anyway, yeah, this is an extra large. I just wanted to give y'all, an idea. I don't wear extra large in short versions. I don't. I wear a large. So I just wanted to give y'all an idea. If you want even more room, just do an extra large. If you want more room, honestly, it's not much of a difference, really. It is slightly more space, slightly stretchier. If they didn't change the material, it would be even more stretchier. But they changed the material, so it's not as stretchy, but you know, it has more space than the large. I can say that. The buttons are good. That's how it looks buttoned up. I don't like my romper button up though. I don't like it buttoned up. I like it showing a little cleavage. But yeah, that's the Michael Myers. Alright y'all, so I am in the Freddy Krueger, my favorite. I think they are pretty much all my favorites at this point. But yeah, Freddy Krueger. I'm wearing an extra large, so I got plenty of room in this one. This one is stretchy. Stretchy. Back, no butt flap, cause y'all gonna be outside with these on, okay? And this says 1, 2, Freddy's coming for you. Yep. I already got it buttoned up. So this is an extra large, y'all. An extra large, and it's definitely more room. I can definitely tell the difference between the large and the extra large. So yeah. Yep. There's the back again. Yeah. I did that. By the way, I designed this as well. I designed this onesie as well. I designed them all actually. But yeah. And like I said before, you got big boobs, size up. Size up if you have big boobs, okay? Especially if you plan on snapping your snaps all the way up. Yep. Alright y'all, so that's a wrap for this video. I know y'all see me back in the Chucky onesie, but I just realized that I forgot to take pictures for the thumbnail, so I had to throw the onesie back on, but I'm done doing that now, so it's all good. And y'all, I hope y'all don't see my lashes, because they really just land on top of my lash, really. So y'all probably can't see it though, but on the unboxing video, I wore these little cat lashes. Y'all can see them good now. The little cat lashes. Yeah, this is what I wore on the unboxing video, and I got it from AliExpress. I just wanted to show y'all that. But anyway, oh yeah, and it might be a part 2 to this try on haul. I know y'all noticed that I did not try on the long pants, and there's a reason for that. They may have to be remade over. I don't know y'all. I don't want to get too much in detail, but honestly, if you all do not see the long pants on the website, the manufacturer has to make them over because it's an issue. And I already done sent a few to some models, so they're gonna let me know how they fit as well. But other than that, yeah, like, you gotta stay consistent with me. Don't switch up nothing, because I'm definitely gonna notice. Because come January, I'm gonna have to look for another manufacturer. Cause they messing up, and I've been working with them for years. All right, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. Bye bye.